Hi everyone, this is Luna from Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll show you how to clear cache on Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra to improve performance and free up temporary storage space. If you're using the Samsung Galaxy S26 or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, clearing an app's cache can help fix issues like slow loading, freezing, or minor glitches without deleting your personal data. Open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you manage features like apps, security, storage, and connectivity, and more. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you'll see a complete list of installed applications, including system apps. Now scroll through the list or use the search icon at the top to quickly find the specific app you want to clear the cache for. Tap on the app to open its app info page. On the next screen, tap on Storage. You'll now see Clear Cache option there. Carefully select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files stored by the app, but it will not delete your login details, settings, or personal information. Your app cache is now cleared, which can help improve speed and resolve small performance problems. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab, making technology simple, smart, and easy for everyone. Stay tuned for more helpful Samsung tips and guides.